Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be talking about some new lip products, particularly at one gift set from Sephora that really intrigued me and I had to pick up, and I knew I really wanted to do a video on it, and that is the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Nude Lip Kit. So Sephora every year comes out with these gift sets, especially for the holiday season, and a lot of times you get a lot of great value out of these gift sets. So they're great if you want to like split them apart and gift them separately, or give them all at once, or even get them for yourself sometimes, because it's a great way to try out new products, because a lot of them are deluxe sample sizes, so you can try out these new products in smaller doses and pay less for it, and you get to just try a lot more at once. So I don't know, I really like the idea of that. So this one right here is $28 US. I believe I paid $23.50 Canadian for it, just because it was on sale at the moment. So if that sale is still on, I definitely recommend. But even for the regular price, so it's $28 US and $34 Canadian, still a really good price. And this is a $72 US value, $86 Canadian value, so really great value in here. So basically it's just a lip kit in here. You do get 5 lip products in here, and 2 of them are also full size. So yeah, this is what this looks like right here. I think the box is really cute. It just looks like a little carton right here, and then when you open it up, we'll get right on into it. So today I'm just going to be kind of talking about the products in here, showing you them, trying them on, doing lip swatches, mini reviews and all that, just kind of chit-chatting to you guys about this kit right here. Alright, so the first product in here is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is what this looks like right here. By the way, I have already tried all these lip products out, so I know a bit about the formula, so I can talk to you guys about it, and then I'll be showing you the colors and everything like that. But this one right here is in the shade Trendsetter, and this is just a liquid matte lipstick. It's a really nice nude shade. I actually used this the other day in a first impressions video. I'll link that down below for you guys to watch. So it just comes with this doe foot applicator. Give it a swatch here. So there's the color on the back of my hand. It is like a warmer brown shade, as you can see. It's actually really nice. It has those like orange warm shades in there, so I think it's really nice. And this right here, if I buy like just this liquid lipstick, it's $26 Canadian, and I paid $23.50 for the kit. So I think that's absolutely amazing that I paid less for a kit than one of the products inside would usually cost. So let's try this one on. Has a really like thin watery formula to it when you first apply it. And you get really good coverage, as you can see just from the first swipe. Alright, so here is the color. It's a really nice warm nude, so I think this would look so nice, especially for this time of year when you want that more warm color. Yeah, I love the color of this actually. I think it's really nice, and I feel like this would look so good on so many different people. It applies really smooth to the lips. Like, it doesn't emphasize any lines on my lips or anything like that. It goes on really smooth, and I feel like because the formula is that watery consistency, you do have some time to kind of layer things or mix things or touch it up a little bit, but within a few minutes it is already dry. I will tell you guys, this stuff lasts forever on the lips. I could literally wear it all day long without getting too drying, you know. So it is a dry formula, obviously, but it doesn't dry out my lips too much, which I did enjoy. I thought it looked really nice on the lips for a very long time. So the formula on this is an A+ for me. I really enjoyed it, and I'm so happy this item got featured in here, because these Huda liquid lipsticks are so raved about from so many people. And rightfully so, because I do really like the formula on it. I think it's a beautiful formula, applies nice, stays on nice, so I really like it, and I'm just so excited to start wearing this more because I love the color. Alright, moving on to the next product in the box, we have another liquid lipstick, and that is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. First of all, I love the packaging on this, so pretty, and this color looks gorgeous, and these retail for $30, so again, another product that's already worth more than the actual box itself. Just apply this. So this one right here has a bit of a thicker formula than the Huda Beauty, but it's still nice and watery to work with. Right, I did an awful job at applying that, but you guys can still see the color. I really, really like this color. I think it's such a beautiful nude with that like pink undertone to it. I feel like this would look so good with kind of this type of eye look where it's super dramatic at the eyes and you want a really, really nice nude lip. This would look great with like a very, very smoky eye because I like the cool tones in it. I'll also do a quick hand swatch of this just so you can see it. But it's so, so pretty. This is so nice. I love the color. This one is in the color Caramello, so really beautiful color. I like this a lot and I could definitely see myself wearing this. The other day when I wore it, it honestly lasted a really long time as well. Great formula. I've tried Stila liquid lipstick in the past, but just not this shade. Always lasted a long time, looked good on the lips, and they aren't too drying either, which I really enjoy. They're a very, very comfortable feel on the lips. I would say this isn't as drying as the Huda one, and the Huda one's not that drying either, so this one's really nice if you have very, very dry lips but you're still looking for a liquid lipstick. This might be something you might enjoy. But yeah, very comfortable formula, looks great. It doesn't, you know, start getting all weird on the lips as you're wearing it. It really does wear beautifully. So yeah, I really enjoy this liquid lipstick right here. Alright, moving on to the next product, we have a lip gloss, which I was really excited to receive as well. And that is the Buxom full-on lip cream in the shade Dolly. The full-size versions of these lip creams retail for $24. This one right here is a deluxe size, but I honestly feel like this size is pretty generous compared to like the liquid lipstick. As you can see right here, it's pretty good. I feel like this would be great just to throw in your purse, or again just to kind of try these products out, see how you like it, and then if you do enjoy this little one, you can always go and purchase the big one, so that's always something to keep in mind. But this color is really nice as well. Again, it has that kind of taupey look to it. So I'll quickly swatch this on my hand. The color is that mauve shade again. Give it a quick swatch. It is actually pretty opaque. It's not like super pigmented, but it does have a bit of color to it for a gloss. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's super gloss, you can see. So I'm gonna apply this over the Stila liquid lipstick for now, so you guys can see it how it looks over just a regular matte liquid lipstick, and then I'll show you it on bare lips as well. So just going here. The formula is nice and thick, to the point where it's not going to slip and slide and make your lip color bleed everywhere, but it's still glidey enough for you to be able to apply easily. It's not sticky. Like when I put my lips together, it doesn't stick. It's still nice and comfortable on the lips, and the best part about this is the fact that it's a plumping lip cream, so it's already starting to feel really tingly and minty on the lips, which is something I actually like. Like, I like plumping products, but if you don't like that, keep that in mind for this. Kind of has that minty feel to it, and let me tell you that this lip gloss, guys, lasts forever. For a lip gloss, let me say. I wore this the other day for around 4 hours before it started kind of going away a little bit, and that was before I like ate, because once I ate it was kind of gone, but I still had a bit of it left, I must be honest. So it lasted a very, very long time. A lot of lip glosses, like, you apply them and then they just kind of absorb right into your lip look and they're kind of gone. You have to reapply them pretty often. This one did not do that. I had a nice glossy lip for a really long time before it wore off, so I was very happy about that. I love how glossy it is. Like, you can see it's really, really glossy. So if you're looking for a really good gloss, this is it right here. I love the quality of it. I love how beautiful it stays on the lips and everything like that. I really like it. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on bare lips. I would probably never really wear this alone. Like, I'd at least put like a liner under it or something. I usually don't wear lip glosses alone unless I have another color underneath, but I will just show you guys. Like, it's actually really pretty on bare lips too. If you're not someone who likes a lot of lip product but still wants a little bit something, this might be something you like. But as you can see, again, very, very glossy product. I really like it. There's no shimmer in this or anything. It's just a pure, like, gloss, you know? So it's really, really pretty. Very hydrating also. It's not just one of those lip glosses that you put on and looks glossy. It also feels glossy and feels really hydrating. So I really like that about it. Beautiful product, and I'm so happy I got to try it. We'll definitely have to look more into these Buxom lip creams because they're very nice in formula. Alright, so the next product in the box is another liquid lipstick, and this is another deluxe size, and this is the Makeup Forever Professional Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I have this one in the shade 105. This is it right here. It's like a cool tone nude color, and these, like, the full sizes of these retail for $25. Again, I'll just show you a quick comparison in size. So this is a liquid lipstick, and here is the color. So it's really nice. I love the mauve tones in this. I love that cool tone look. I think this would look so, so nice on the lips. I could see myself using this type of color a lot. This one right here does have a moussier formula than the other ones I showed you guys. Like compared to the one from Stila or Huda Beauty, it's a little more moussey, a little thicker in consistency. So here is the color of this. Isn't that just a gorgeous color? I love the, like, purple in this. I think it's so nice, and I actually like how cool tone lips look with, like, warm eye looks. I actually really like that. But that is it right there. Again, very, very smooth on the lips. I will say, out of all of the liquid lipsticks, this one would probably be the most drying. Like, it dries down the slowest, but it looks the most matte in the end. I haven't heard that many things about the Makeup Forever liquid lipsticks, but I honestly really, really do like the formula. So I think it's nice. I like how it applies. It lasts a long time. Beautiful color as well. So another just great part of this box. All right, so now on to the last product in the box, and that is just a regular stick lipstick, and this right here is the Tarte Color Splash lipstick. Isn't this packaging just so cute? So if we open it up right here, this is what this looks like. You don't get much product in here, but again, what I keep repeating with these deluxe samples, I honestly think they're really nice. And if you're someone who has, like, a giant collection like I do, you usually don't go through lipsticks that often anyways, so I think it's a nice thing to have to try out. And I have this one in the shade Beach, which I think is so beautiful. It's another, like, cool tone nude shade. And I'll just show you guys the color right here. Really nice, actually. I think it's more of like a neutral nude. I feel like a lot of people would get wear out of this, and it would suit a lot of different skin tones. I love that. It is cool tone, but it has some peachy undertones as well in there, so I do really like it. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the lips. So here is the color. It is a little light for me, like, it kind of does wash me out, but with the right, like, lip liner underneath, I think this would look really good. Or I would use this, like, on top of some of these other lip products, like the liquid lipsticks, to brighten up the center. But the formula of this is literally like silk almost. I don't even know how else to describe it. It's so, so smooth. Goes on beautifully. It's really, really pigmented as well. Really smooth on the lips, easy to work with, just a very comfortable lipstick in general. So I really like the formula of this lipstick. I think it's awesome, a great thing to have in the box, and I feel like a lot of people will like the feel of this on the lips. And these ones right here retail for $27 in the full size. Alright, before I end this video, I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of a lip combo. I'm just going to apply some more foundation around my lips. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever liquid lipstick, just because I love the cool tone contrast with my eye look. And then I'm going to take the Tarte lipstick. I do this trick a lot, taking a regular lipstick and applying it over a liquid lipstick. This will make sure it lasts longer, and it will also be less drying on the lips. So I'm just going to apply this right to the center. And then last but not least, I think we could add a nice gloss to this look to finish it off. So I'm going to take the Buxom gloss, add some to the center. And that is the completed lip look. I do this type of combo all the time, like liquid lipstick, and lip gloss, and it just really makes it last all day long. Really highly recommend this box while it is still around. Honestly, if you are interested in lipsticks or you love experimenting with lipsticks, especially nude lipsticks, I think this would be such a great box. The lipsticks in here are absolutely fantastic. I'm honestly impressed with all the formulas I tried out, which doesn't always happen in these type of gift sets, but honestly I can say that I would 10 out of 10 recommend all of these products right here, and for the value, I mean, that's amazing. So yeah, I'm really impressed by this. I'm so happy I purchased it. Anyways, I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video. I know it was a little different from what I usually do, but hopefully you still enjoyed, and let me know if you've tried any other Sephora gift sets in that they have selling right now, and if you like any of them, because then I'll definitely have to try some more. But anyways, I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.